Hello viewers, welcome to the latest giveaway. So guys, today's giveaway is conducted by Indian Artics on Instagram. So now I'm gonna tell you how to participate in this. So let's go and see. So guys, for participating in this, first of all you have to open your Instagram account. After opening it, search VIP's giveaway. When you search it, this type of interface will come wherever you open that. So guys, first of all open this latest giveaway and like this. After that, see the more section. Here it is clearly written that means the step. So first step is that you have to follow VIP giveaway. After that, all the accounts who VIP giveaways follow, you have to follow. When you do that, third is you have to like and save the photos of one Instagram account whose name is Ricardo Font. When you do that, visualize and reaction stories of Ricardo Front means you have to watch the stories of this means this account which is named as Ricardo Font. Then you have to tag your friends in the comment section as much as you can. You tag by which the chances of your winning may increases. So guys, now let's talk about the winner. So as you can see, the winner of this giveaway will be decided on 5th of June. So best of luck for this giveaway guys. I hope the winner is from my subscribers only. Best of luck.